Hi, welcome to Maree. Today I'm going to share a little adventure we did on the weekend. We decided to go wild camping, but the first spot we found, the road was too narrow to continue down, but we stumbled across some wild blueberries.
And Glenn is foraging for the berries. I did taste one, and they do taste like blueberries. Just found a little spot to pitch our tent. It's our first night of wild camping in Sweden. We're just trialing one night, and Glenn's doing the tent all by himself, but we did kick all the pine cones out of the way. Glenn's gone for an evening swim, and this is where we're camping for one night. Pitched our tent up and bonus toilets on site, which is always good news, and it's pretty cool. It's been a warm day, so there's a few people out still swimming and making frolicking noise, having fun in the water. The duck is having dinner.
So Glenn decided to cook the blueberries just to test our little new camping stove. And they look really good and tasted quite delicious, but I forgot to film a taste test. So the sun is setting, and I took some nighttime views just to show you how pretty it is. And we'll get a good night's sleep, and I'll show you some photos in the morning. So we're up early. This is 7:16 in the morning, and we're having coffee and muesli bars for breakfast. And no, I'm not a giant, I'm just on a rock. This morning we were woken to men coming from this cabin, and we realized that they were going in for a dip and then going back to get warm in the sauna. And they went in and out about 4 times. After chatting to them, I decided to go for a dip as well. It was a fresh 21 degrees, but I got used to it and enjoyed a lovely swim. The water was so clear, we could see little fish swimming around. And not very deep, as you can see. And the last thing we did, we took a little walk through the bush, and there's this lovely path. So where we went was only about a 20-minute drive from home, and it was super close, but close to nature. So I hope you've enjoyed my little wild camping video in Sweden. Pop a comment below if you've enjoyed this style of video, and hope I can show you a little bit more of Sweden through my eyes.